guys, and welcome back. I wanted to run through an emo song with you. Take you back to the Dashboard Confessional days and teach you a song called Hands Down. So there's 4 parts to this song. We have an intro lick, we have a verse and a chorus, and then we have an outro, bridge, outro kind of thing that just he plays for like a good chunk of the song on the way out. So I'll walk you through each part. I'm not going to spend a ton of time or make this video super long. It could require a lot of attention like that, but I'm just going to go ahead and kind of play through the intro lick real quick and just show you the 4 parts that make up this song. So the intro, we're going to start off on this B shape, and we're going to ring out the open E. So, and that's going back up to the D string, so it's 1, 2, 3 on the G, then to the D, and then he does it the second time, goes from the G to the G string, so we don't move up. And then the third part to that is, so it's just 1, 2, 3, slide up a full step. And then we put that together, and we have when he ends, he just goes to there, so he kind of cuts that off. It's like an E. And then we're going to play E minor, goes into the verse from there. So what he does is just palm mutes the top 2 strings. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we're going to go here. So 1 and 2 and 3. It's just palm muted, and then it goes to this chord. Is what it says. I like to start. I slide up. To B, then we go to here, so it's, and then we start over. That is the verse. From there it goes into the chorus, which is E major to this G sharp minor to A, back to the G sharp, and then there's an accent that just drops, and then it starts over. Okay, I'm going to walk you through that real quick. So we got the E. Kiss might kill me, so won't you kill me, so I die happy. My heart is yours to fill or burst, to break or bury, or wear as jewelry. Whichever you prefer, the words are hushed, let's not get busted. Just lay entwined here, undiscovered. So that's the, I mumbled the words there for you. I don't sing. I just kind of wanted to give you the feel of how those 2 parts go. And then that's it. So we have the intro, we have the verse, and then we have the chorus. Now we just need the end of the song. So that is going to be this C sharp minor, C sharp minor, A, to an E minor, or E major, excuse me, to a B. So when I play it, I like to add this root, this G sharp, into that C minor. It makes it kind of girthy. On that E. I think it's kind of weird that he does that, but I guess it makes sense, right? But it always felt weird to me, but that's what he does. So those are the few parts to that song. I mumbled the words just so to give you an idea. I don't sing, I just try to play. So we'll run through, let's see if we can just go from the verse one time into that chorus one time into that outro. So it's gonna go one other thing I should mention, this song, if you want to play along to the album, you're going to have to tune a half step low. I didn't for the sake of the video, and most people are looking for songs to learn. They're searching things they're not already, tuned a half step low. So I just wanted you guys to be able to play along with me and try to learn it. If you want to play with the album, you got to tune a half step low. But it is a cool song, and it was awesome for its era. So it's something I'll never forget. I love that song, and I hope you enjoy. And as always, please like, subscribe, and if you have questions, leave them below. Thanks for watching.